Hello friends, in last video we have seen kingdom Protista and its characteristic and the different groups of kingdom Protista. Okay. In this video we will study kingdom fungi and different classes of kingdom fungi. So now kingdom fungi includes heterotrophic organism with great diversity in morphology and habitat. हेट्रोट्रॉफिक मीन्स दोज ऑर्गॅनिझम विच आर डिपेंड ऑन अदर्स फॉर फूड जे स्वतःचे फूड तयार करूंक शकना आनी दुसऱ्यांचेर डिपेंड आसता तांकां आमी हेट्रोट्रॉफिक ऑर्गॅनिझम म्हणटा. सो वीथ ग्रेट डायवर्सिटी इन मॉर्फोलॉजी. मॉर्फोलॉजी मीन्स द एक्सटर्नल फिचर्स, भायसून जे आमकां फिचर्स दिसता तेतून ते वेरी जाता. दे शो डायवर्सिटी, दॅट इज दे आर डिफरंट टायप्स ऑफ शेप्स एंड कलर. And habitat means the place where they are found. So they are found on different places also. So they vary in diversity in morphology and habitat. Now examples of kingdom fungi are bread mold, orange rods, mushroom. These are the mushroom. These are the toadstool. White spots on mustard leaves are due to a parasitic fungus. And this is the wheat rust. Okay, this is the, I will come to that next. Now, so first bread mold. Now bread mold तुम्ही पहिला आसतलो हो पाव फोटो जो आसा तो पावाचो एक 2-3 दीस पाव दवरल्या उपरांत कितें जाता तो पाव कुसपाक लागता आनी तेजेर एक कॉटन कसो लेयर येता आनी हो जो कॉटन लेयर तुम्ही काडून जर मायक्रोस्कोपान स्लायड प्रिपेअर करून जर ऑब्जर्व करशात जाल्यार तुमकां हे फ्रुटींग बॉडीज दिसतले आनी हे तेजे स्पोरेंजिओफोर एंड द hyphae structure तुमकां भितर दिसतलो. ओके, दिस ब्लॅक कलर इज द फ्रुटींग बॉडी वेरी स्पोर्स आर प्रेझेंट. ओके, सो ताका ब्रेड मोल्ड म्हणटा. नाव ऑरेंज रॉड तशेंच हे सगळ्या फ्रुट्सांचे कितें जे सबस्टन्स कुसता ताजेर हे फंगाय आमकां मेळटा. ओके, सो दे हेल्प कुसता म्हणजे कितें करता, दे हेल्प इन डिकेईंग द ऑर्गेनीक मॅटर. हे ऑर्गेनीक मॅटर ब्रेड जे आसा ते डिके करपाक आमकां हेल्प करता. Now for example, this is the orange rod. Orangeचे जो बुरशी येता ताका म्हणटा orange rod. Now toadstool are the poisonous mushrooms. Okay, these are the red color means it is poisonous. You have to, it is an indicator that red is danger. We know that. Okay, so it's an indicator that this poisonous mushroom you should not handle it without proper. We should handle it with proper care. So just we should not touch with naked hands. Okay, now white spots on mustard leaves, this is also fungal disease on the plants, so that's why they are called as the parasitic fungus. Okay, now these are the multicellular fungus, but only one fungus is there which is a unicellular fungus, and that is called the yeast. Okay, yeast is the only fungus which are the unicellular, very important, and they are used to make the bread and beer. तुमकां खबर आहा पाव जर फुगपाक जाल्यार आमी इस्ट घालता. इस्ट घालता म्हणजे कितें घालता, नथींग बट दिस फंगस वी आर पुटींग इन द ब्रेड. नाव हो फंगस तुम्ही चिंततले फंगस घालता म्हणजे तो हार्मफूल. दिस इज नॉट अ हार्मफूल फंगस, दिस इज एडिबल फंगस. So even this mushroom is edible. So there are some fungus which are beneficial and some are harmful. So mushroom we eat. Okay, then this yeast also we eat, and the others are बाकीचे yeast सोडून बाकीचे सगळे आसा ते फिलामेंटल. नाव दिस इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ yeast फंगस. आता हो yeast फंगस, दिस इज अ मायक्रोस्कोपिक पिक्चर म्हणून तुमकां येदें व्हडलें दिसता. जर नाल्यार ते एक स्लायमी लेयर कसो दिसतलो उदक घातल्या उपरांत, आनी जर मायक्रोस्कोपान तुमी जस्ट एक ड्रॉप घालीत जाल्यार तुमकां कितलेशेच तांचे सेल्स दिसतले, अँड दीज आर द बर्ड्स ऑफ द yeast. हो एक सेल आणि तेजेर हे बर्ड्स. सो जसो तो मॅच्युअर जाला कोणी हो बर्ड डिटॅच जाता आणि तो परत एक पॅरंट बॉडी म्हणून फॉर्म जाता. नाव सम फंगाय कॉज डिसीज इन प्लांट्स अँड एनिमल एज आय टोल्ड यू. फॉर एक्झाम्पल वीट रस्ट कॉजिंग पक्सिनिया. ओके, हो आता वीट रस्ट आसा, हे विटाचे झाड, गव्हाचे झाड, आणि तुमकां दिसता हांगासर येल्लो कलर पावडर कसो आसा तो, that is the wheat rust म्हणटा ताका, and it is caused by fungus known as the Puccinia. Some are the source of antibiotic, for example penicillium. Penicillium जो fungus आहा तो, it is a use as an antibiotic. Okay, No, and it was first discovered by Alexander Fleming. It was an accident, means he was studying the culture of bacteria and he observed that surrounding the bacterial culture, nothing is growing. And a space wherein a circle wherein no bacteria are not growing, so he observed that and he just focus on the microscope what is this making the bacteria not to grow. So he observed under the microscope and he later on name it as a penicillin, and that's why it is used as the antibiotic. Okay, a big discovery for which Nobel Prize was announced to them. Now, fungi are cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan means they are found everywhere. So that's why they occur in air, water, soil, on animals and plants. They prefer to grow in warm and humid places. Okay. Now, in the air also, you may not know, but there will be many spores of fungi. So, if you just hold the culture plate, you will able and if hold the culture plate exposed in the air, and after sometimes you allow to grow them, you'll find many fungus are growing in those plates. Their bodies consist of long slender thread like structure called as the hyphae. Now you can see this is a long slender thread like structure, ताका कितें म्हणटा hyphae म्हणटा. The network of hyphae is known as the mycelium. Okay? आणि हे network hyphae जेन्ना network form करता ताका आमी mycelium म्हणटा. Okay? Many hyphae together they are called as the mycelium. Now some hyphae are continuous tube filled with multinucleated cytoplasm. These are called sinusoidal hyphae, and others have septae or cross wall in their hyphae. Now hyphae is of two types. Hyphae are of two types. One is sinusoidal hyphae and other is septate hyphae. Now what do you mean by sinusoidal hyphae? Sinusoidal जे hyphae असता तेतून न्यूक्लियस खूप असता and they do not have cross wall. क्रॉस वॉल असता. यू कॅन सी इट इज अ ट्यूब फिल्ड ट्यूब कशी आणि भितर खूप न्यूक्लियस मल्टी न्यूक्लियड मॅनी न्यूक्लियस. ओके, आणि त्यांच्या मध्ये क्रॉस वॉल ना, सो ताका म्हणटा सिनोसायटीक हायफे. व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट यू टू नोट डावन दीस. वेर सेप्टेड हायफे यू कॅन सी प्रत्येक न्यूक्लियसाक एक त्याच्या मध्ये क्रॉस वॉल असा. यू कॅन सी हियर क्रॉस वॉल. सो ताका म्हणटा सेप्टा म्हणटा. ओके, दिस क्रॉस वॉल इज कॉल्ड एज द सेप्टा or septa is plural, septum is singular. Okay, septum is the plural आणि so ताका म्हणटा septate hyphae. So this is sinusoidal and this is septate. Now the cell walls of fungi are composed of chitin and polysaccharide. The cell wall is made up of chitin and polysaccharide. Okay, whereas plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. यांची cell wall किती असता? Chitin and polysaccharide. Fungi are heterotrophic and absorb soluble organic matter from dead substrates and hence are called as the saprophytes. So as I told you, fungi कितें heterotrophic and the organic matter absorb करता from the dead substrates. You can see here this is the dead branch of the plant आणि तेजेर ते हे grow जाता and hence they are called as the saprophytes because they derive nutrients from the dead decaying matter. Now those that depend on living plants and animals are called as the parasite. आता थोडे फंगाय असे आसा जे लिव्हिंग प्लांट्सान जाता, जशें हांवें तुमकां व्हीट रस सांगले, एंड एनिमल्सांचेरूय थोडे आसता जे आमकां फंगल इन्फेक्शन म्हणटा, ताका आमी इचिंग बीन जाता आनी मागीर रॅशीज फॉर्म जाता. सो दॅट मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ द फंगल इन्फेक्शन. सो तांकां म्हणटा पॅरासाइट्स. ओके, दे नाव अनदर term is that known as the symbiont. Symbiont means they form the association with other component, other organism. Okay, ताका म्हणटा symbiotic relationship. म्हणजे दोन ऑर्गॅनिझम एकीकडे घट्ट रावता, दोघी एकामेका शिवाय रावूंक शकना. सो ताका म्हणटा symbiotic relationship. Okay, now they live as a symbionts in association with algae and they are called as lichens. Okay, and with roots of higher plant they are called as the mycorrhiza. म्हणजे ही दोन असोसिएशन असा. ओके, जेन्ना ते अल्गे बरोबर, दॅट इज अल्गे इज नोन एज प्लांट, अल्गे बरोबर रावता तेन्ना ताका आमी लायकन्स म्हणटा. जेन्ना तेजे असोसिएशन अल्गे बरोबर आसता तेन्ना आमी ताका लायकन्स म्हणटा. फुडें आमी ते शिकतली लायकन्स इन डिटेल. आणि जेन्ना ते रूट्स ऑफ हायर प्लांट्सा बरोबर रावता तेन्ना आमी ताका मायकोरायझा म्हणटा. आय विल शो यू द एक्झाम्पल. नाव दिस इज द मायकोरायझा पिक्चर. यू कॅन सी ह्यो स्लायडीचे पिक्चर, मायक्रोस्कोपिक पिक्चर भितन आसता रुट्साच्या. सो these are the cells of the root and these are the stained dark color one. These are the mycorrhiza म्हणटा ताका आमी fungus endomycorrhiza. Now so they are found inside the roots म्हणून तांकां mycorrhiza म्हटलेले आसा. Okay, and they are helpful to the plants. They provide nutrition. Phosphorus जो आसा तो प्लांट्सांक ते पावोवपाचे काम करता. Okay, whereas this is the photograph of lichens. You can see this is the ट्रंक ऑफ द ट्री आणि तेजेर हे लायकन्स ते ट्रीजांचेर स्टोनाचेर खंयूय जाता फंगस. नाव लेटर ऑन वील स्टडी द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इट, लायकन्स कशें आसा ते. सो जस्ट दिस इज द एक्झाम्पल. नाव रिप्रोडक्शन. ओके, रिप्रोडक्शन ऑफ फंगाय. नाव दे रिप्रोड्यूस बाय वेजिटेटिव्ह, बाय फ्रॅगमेंटेशन, फिशन अँड बर्डिंग. ओके, बर्डिंग तुम्ही पयला ईस्टान हांवें तुमकां सांगलें. सो ईस्ट इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ बर्डिंग, वेजिटेटिव्ह टायप ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन. देन हियर यू कॅन सी फ्रॅगमेंटेशन. सो दिस इज द hyphae. Okay, and it gets cut, detached, and this will germinate into new one. So that is called as the fragmentation. Fission by cell division. Then asexual reproduction is by spore called as the conidia, or sporangiosperms or zoospore. Now this is the sporangiospore and this is the zoospore. When the spores have this what you call flagella, they are called as the motile and they are called as the zoospore. Okay, now this is the sporangiospore. The stalk is called as the sporangiophore, which bears a fruiting body called as the sporangium, and inside this sporangium you will find the spores. Okay, now these spores germinate and they form a new body. Okay, so that's why it is called as the asexual reproduction. The various spores are produced in distinct structure called as the fruiting body. आता हे spores जे आसा ते different types of fruiting body present असता. So this is known as the conidiophore because they produces conidia. आता fruiting body एक conidia म्हणटा हांकां. So for example penicillium ताका conidia म्हणटा, whereas here it is called as the sporangium. दोन्ही कितें करता, spores. Now these are the spores, they will release spores. Okay, now these are the different fruiting body in various types of fungi. So you can see this is the fruiting body. This is so different shapes of the fruiting bodies. So this is also fruiting body. This is the agaricus fruiting body. So you can see different shapes of the fruiting body which contains spores. Now sexual, next type of reproduction is sexual reproduction. So we have seen vegetative, asexual and sexual. Now sexual reproduction is by oospore, ascospores and basidiospores. Okay, आता हे different classes you will see later on. तांकां different types of spores म्हणटा. So oospore, now this is the oospore structure, which is this is the oogonium and this is the antheridium. This oogonium is the female reproductive organ and antheridium is the male reproductive organ. So female reproductive organ produces oospores. So ताका लागून ताका म्हणटा sexual reproduction by oospore. Then this is the ascospores. These are called as the ascus. Okay, ascus, and these are the ascospores produces SA or the ascus spores. Now you can see these are the spores. Okay, now third one is the basidiospores. Now this is the basidium, wherein inside you will find the basidiospores. Okay, the sexual cycle involves the following 3 steps. आता ह्या sexual cycle in 3 steps आसा. That is fusion of protoplasm, that is called as the plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis. हे 3 different processes they follow करतात sexual cycle. Okay, now first one is the plasmogamy. So fusion of protoplasm between two motile or non-motile gametes called as the plasmogamy. So plasmogamy कितें जाता, दोन सेलाचो प्रोटोप्लाझम फ्यूज जाता आणि ताका म्हणटा आमी प्लाझ्मिन, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. ओके, दोन सेलाचो प्रोटोप्लाझम फ्यूज जाता, सो ताका म्हणटा द सेल्स मे बी मोटाईल ऑर नॉन मोटाईल गॅमेट्स. ओके, so this is called as the plasmogamy. Now karyogamy is the fusion of two nuclei. It's called as the karyogamy. Now you can see here the two nuclei. This is one nuclei and this is another nuclei. They fuse and form the 2N. So this is called as the karyogamy. Okay, दोन न्यूक्लियस जेन्ना फ्यूज जाता ताका आमी कॅरियोगॅमी म्हणटा. ओके, आणि दोन सेलाचो प्रोटोप्लाझम जेन्ना फ्यूज जाता ताका आमी प्लाझ्मोगॅमी म्हणटा. सो दोनूय हेतून कितें जाता आमकां, as a result we get 2n, n plus n, 2n condition. Here also 2n condition in the sexual reproduction. Now meiosis in zygote resulting in haploid spore. आता हे झायगोट 2n आमकां फॉर्म मेळ्ळो कॅरियोगॅमीन. सो ताजे मागीर मियोसीस जाता आणि आमकां हॅप्लॉइड स्पोर्स प्रोड्यूस जाता. सो मियोसीस यू नो दॅट इट इज अ रिडक्शनल डिविजन, ते आमी सेल सायकल एंड सेल डिविजन शिकतली. सो मियोसीस जाल्ल्या कारणान आमकां कितें मेळटा, इट इज अ रिडक्शनल डिविजन. सो आमकां हाफ नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोझोम्स मेळटा ऑर n नंबर ऑफ nucleus मेळटा. So they are called as the haploid nucleus. So we get 4 daughter cells from one cell, we get 4 daughter cell. So ताका म्हणटा meiosis. And mitosis जाल्या कारणी हे सेल नंबर इनक्रीज जाता, इक्वेशनल डिविजन म्हणटा ताका आमी. Okay, meiosis in zygote resulting in haploid spore. So you have to remember that meiosis कितें करता, haploid meiosis जाल्या उपरांत आमकां haploid spore मेळटा which is half number of chromosome or n, or it is also called as the n number of chromosome. In sexual reproduction, two haploid hyphae of compatible mating types come together and fuse. So sexual reproduction कितें जाता, two haploid hyphae म्हणजे n नंबर असलेलो आणि दुसरो n नंबर असलेलो कंपॅटिबल टाइप म्हणजे एकामेका कंपॅटिबल असलेलो एकी कडेन येता आणि ते फ्यूज जाता. ओके, and result in diploid cell आणि as a result कितें मेळटा आमकां, diploid cell 2n or one from one hyphae, another n from another hyphae, they fuse and form the 2n. So ताका आमी म्हणटा diploid condition or the 2n. In other fungi, that is in Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes, हे दोन different classes of fungi चे, an intervening dikaryotic stage, that is n plus n, that is 2 nuclei per cell occurs. Such a condition is called as the dikaryon. So ह्या दोन क्लासेसांत कितें येता, दोन न्यूक्लिया एका सेलान प्रेजेंट असता, सो ताका आमी डायकॅरियन म्हणटा. एंड द फेज इज कॉल्ड एज द डायकॅरियो फेज ऑफ फंगस. सो ताका म्हणटा डायकॅरियो फेज. डाय म्हणजे 2, कॅरियो म्हणजे न्यूक्लियस कंटेनिंग 2 न्यूक्लियस. Later the parental nuclei fuse and the cell becomes diploid. So हे दोन न्यूक्लियस फ्यूज जाता आणि सेल डिप्लॉइड फॉर्म येता 2n. Okay, so the fungi form fruiting bodies in which reduction division occurs leading to formation of haploid cell. So as a result 2n form जाले कारणी कितें करता, those fungi undergo meiosis आणि मागीर आमकां haploid spores प्रोड्यूस जाता, that is n number of chromosome. The morphology of the mycelium, mode of spore formation and fruiting bodies form the basis for the division of the kingdom into various classes such as Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. म्हणजे आमी हो फंगाय जे आसा ते डिफरंट क्लासेसांत ग्रुप करता. सो बेज ऑन वॉट, सो बेज ऑन मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ मायसेलियम. सो दिस इज द मायसेलियम, त्याचे मॉर्फोलॉजी म्हणजे कशें आसा ते मायसेलियम स्ट्रक्चर. देन मोड ऑफ स्पोर फॉर्मेशन, स्पोर्स कशे फॉर्म जाता, कोनेडियन जाता, स्पोरेंजियो फॉर्म जाता, बेजिडियो स्पोरान फॉर्म जाता, अँड द फ्रुटींग बॉडीज, डिफरंट टायप्स ऑफ फ्रुटींग बॉडी. सो दीज आर द स्ट्रक्चर which are the basis to classify the fungi into different classes. So these are the 4 classes we'll study in this chapter. Okay, Now the first class is Phycomycetes. Okay. Now, members of Phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitats and on decaying wood in moist and damp places or as obligate parasites on plants. Now, have Phycomycetism aquatic conditions आहे पट्टा, so they are found in aquatic habitat. Also on decaying wood, जर decaying wood moisture असतात, say for example डॅम्प वेट फॉरेस्ट म्हणजे ज्या प्लेसीचे झरे असतात ते मॉइश्चर चड असता, सो रेन फॉरेस्टान हे फायकोमायसेटीस चड मेळटा. देन एज अ ऑब्लिगेट पॅरासाइट ऑन प्लांट्साचेर ते रावता. The mycelium is aseptate and sinusoidal. So aseptate means septa absent and ते sinusoidal, a tube filled with many nucleus. Okay, ताका aseptate and sinusoidal. So त्यांची mycelium कशी असता? Aseptate and sinusoidal. Asexual reproduction take place by zoospore, that is motile, or by aplanospore, non-motile. So asexual reproduction दोन्ही तरेन जाता. with motile zoospore and with non-motile ताका aplanospore म्हणटा, म्हणजे non-motile. Okay, हे टर्म ऑलरेडी हांवें तुमकां उदोड एक्सप्लेन केल्ले आसा. These spores are endogenously produced in sporangium. आता हे स्पोर्स खंय प्रोड्यूस करता? एंडोजेनसली म्हणजे भितर स्पोरेंजियम स्ट्रक्चरान प्रोड्यूस. यू कॅन सी नाव दिस इज द स्पोरेंजियम and now these spores are present inside. So once the sporangium wall breaks, they are released out. So these are the spores, sporangiospores. Okay. A zygospore is formed by fusion of two gametes. Zygospore कसो फॉर्म जाता? दोन गॅमेट्स, मेल अँड फिमेल गॅमेट फ्यूज जाता आणि रिजल्टिंग स्ट्रक्चर जे मेळटा आमी ताका झायगोस्पोर्स म्हणटा. नाव दीस गॅमेट आर सिमिलर इन मॉर्फोलॉजी. सो जेन्ना हे दोन गॅमेट सिमिलर इन मॉर्फोलॉजी म्हणजे सेम तरेचे दिसता, यू कॅनॉट डिफरन्शिएट खंयचो मेल गॅमेट आनी खंयचो फिमेल गॅमेट, सो ताका म्हणटा आमी आयझोगॅमस. ओके, ऑर डिसिमिलर. सो जेन्ना आमी आयडेंटिफाय करूंक शकता विच इज मेल गॅमेट विच इज द फिमेल गॅमेट, ताका म्हणटा आमी अनायझोगॅमस or oogamous. Understood the difference? So isogamous means similar in morphology, दोन्ही exactly same दिसता, male and female gamete. Anisogamous or oogamous means dissimilar. दोन म्हणजे आम्ही antheridium, that is the male reproductive organ, and the oogonium, that is the female reproductive organ, we can differentiate. So ताका म्हणटा anisogamous or oogamous. These terms are very important definition. Now examples of Phycomycetes are mucor. Mucor is the bread mold, Rhizopus, and Albuco, the parasitic fungi on the mustard leaf. Now this is the mustard leaf, and you can see the Albuco, that white spot, cotton like, and this is the microscopic picture. म्हणजे हो जर आम्ही काढून जर स्लाइड प्रिपेर मायक्रोस्कोप अंडर पळयलो जाल्यार तुमकां अशें स्ट्रक्चर दिसतलें. Now these are the spore and these are the sporangiopore. So these are the characteristic of class Phycomycetes. Now next class is Ascomycetes, commonly known as sac fungi. The Ascomycetes are mostly multicellular. Example is Penicillium, or rarely unicellular. Example is yeast. Okay. आता Ascomycetes, they are also called as the sac fungi because they are present in fruiting body, a sac-like fruiting body. This is structure, a sac-like fruiting body, a cup-like structure you can see here. So that's why they are called as the Ascomycetes, sac fungi or sac fungi. Okay. आता त्याचे example are Penicillium. This is the Penicillium. Or rarely unicellular, एकूच भितर unicellular, that is the yeast, ताका Saccharomyces ताचे scientific name, yeastaचे Saccharomyces. Okay. Now they are saprophytic. Now this particular group Ascomycetes, they are saprophytic, decomposer, parasitic, or coprophilous. Coprophilous means growing on dung. जर तुम्ही डंग पावसाच्या दिसांनी जर डंग बीन ऑब्जर्व करशात, और डंग शेणयो म्हणटा ताका आमी, और शेण जर तुम्ही ऑब्जर्व करशात तेजेर ब्युटिफूल स्ट्रक्चर्स येता, ब्युटिफूल कलर्ड वन. सो एक ट्रान्सपरंट कलर और येल्लो कलर. सो ताका आमी त्या दोज आर द फंगस एंड त्या फंगसाक कितें म्हणटा आमी कॉप्रोफिलस फंगस बिकॉज दे आर फाउंड ऑन ग्रोईंग ऑन डंग. ना मायसिलियम इज ब्रांच एंड सेप्टेट. ओके, हांगासर मायसिलियम कशी असता ब्रांच एंड ताका सेप्टा प्रेजेंट असता. ओदोच्या क्लासीन आमी फायकोमॅसिटिसान कितें पळयलें, it is aseptate and sinusotic where it is branch and septate. The asexual spores are conidia produced exogenously on the special mycelium called as the conidiophore. Now this structure is called as the conidia and this structure is called as the conidiophore. Or stalk कसा आता का म्हणता conidiophore. Okay, and these are the conidia जिथून spores present असता. Now conidia or germination produce mycelium. So हे conidia जेन्ना जर्मिनेट जाता ते कितें करता mycelium परत असले तसे प्रोड्यूस करता. Now sexual spores are called ascospores which are produced endogenously in a sac-like structure called as the ascus singular and asci plural. Now you can see these are the ascospores. These are the ह्याचे enlarge हो एक घेतलो एस्कर्स हे त्याचे enlarge view. So you can see एस्कर आणि हे भितरले spores. So these are the ascospores. ते sac like structure and present असता म्हणून ताका ascospores म्हणटा. These asci are arranged in different types of fruiting bodies called as the ascoca. आणि हे asci different types of fruiting body arrange असता. So ताका आमी asci म्हणटा or singular ascus. Okay, or singular ascus जालो and plural it is called as the asci. Okay, the asci are arranged in different types of fruiting body called as the ascoca. And जेचेर ते present असता ताका आमी ascoca म्हणटा. So this is the ascoca. These are the fruiting bodies called as the ascoca. Now examples of this ascomycetes are aspergillus, then claviceps, and neurospora. Okay, now this is the neurospora, this is the claviceps, and this is the aspergillus. Then neurospora, this is the neurospora, is used extensively in biochemical and genetic work. म्हणजे हेजेर चड स्टडी जाल्ली हा biochemical study. So its biochemical extracted and even the genetic mechanism have been studied. Okay, now many members like morels and truffles are edible and are considered delicacies. हेतून हाका morels म्हणटा जे they are edible and they are used in many food preparation. Okay, so these are the characteristic of ascomycetes. Now next class is the basidiomycetes. This class you will like because we eat this. This is the edible mushroom. There are also non-edible type of mushrooms. Now basidiomycetes are mushrooms, bracket fungi or puffballs. So I'll show you the example. So this is the mushroom. These are called as the bracket fungi. हे तुमकां झाडांचेर दिसतले माडाचेर or अशे हाफ सत्री कशी. So ताका ब्रॅकेट फंगाय म्हणटा. इवन आंब्याच्या झाडाचेर एक तुमकां अशे हाफ सत्री कशी दिसतली. Whereas these mushrooms are full umbrella shapes. Okay, and these are the puff balls. हे सारखे बॉल्स कशे दिसता तुमकां. सो ताका लागून ताका पफ बॉल म्हणटा. आनी जेन्ना हे फुट्टा पळय बॉल दे रिलीज द स्पोर्स. हो जो तुमकां डस्ट कसो दिसता गॅस कशें दिसता दॅट इज नथिंग बट अ स्पोर्स and it can reach to up to 1 meter height. It suppose 1 meter heights mean वचपाक शकता. Okay, so these are called as the puff balls. So basidiomycetes grow in soil on logs म्हणजे tree trunk and tree stumps and in living plant bodies as parasite. Example rust and smuts. So ते parasite म्हणून grow करता on living plant body as rust and smut powder form कशे. The mycelium is branch and septate. हांगासरी mycelium branch असता आणि septate असता. The asexual spores are generally not found, but vegetative reproduction by fragmentation is common. So हांगासर asexual spores मेळना, पण त्यांचे vegetative reproduction कशें जाता? Fragmentation. So the mycelium gets cuts and again they grow into a new individual. The sex organs are absent, but plasmogamy is brought about by fusion of two vegetative or somatic cells of different strains or genotypes and result in dikaryotic structure which give rise to basidium. So हांगासर कितें जाता सेक्स ऑर्गन एब्सेंट असता. ओके सेक्स ऑर्गन म्हणजे मेल एंड फिमेल गॅमेट्स आर एब्सेंट पूण हांगा कशें जाता देन रिप्रोडक्शन. ओके plasmogamy. So as I told you, plasmogamy is also a type of sexual reproduction. हांगासर दोन फ्रॅगमेंट्स दोन मायसेलियम फ्यूज करता. सो तांचे टू वेजिटेटिव्ह सेल्स फ्यूज करता ताका म्हणटा वेजिटेटिव्ह ऑर सोमॅटिक मीन सेम सोमॅटिक सेल ऑर द वेजिटेटिव्ह सेल दोन फ्यूज करता आणि ऑफ डिफरंट स्ट्रेन. सो थंय आमी पळयलें सेम स्ट्रेन हांगासर डिफरंट स्ट्रेनाचे जे टू डिफरंट मशरूमाचे स्ट्रेन्स फ्यूज करतले and result in dikaryotic structure म्हणजे दोन न्यूक्लियस फ्यूज जातले 2n कंडिशन which will give rise to basidium आणि ते मागीर कितें फॉर्म करतले basidium. Okay. Now karyogamy and meiosis take place in the basidium producing 4 basidiospore. So basidium are present in the gill like structure. So ते कितें करतले basidium meiosis जातले आणि 4 haploid spore produce करतले. The basidiospores are exogenously produced on the basidium and the basidia are arranged in fruiting bodies called as the basidiocarps. Okay. Now basidiospores हे basidium present असता. These are the basidiospores. हे basidium this is the basidium हे basidiospores आणि हे basidium gills like structure and present असता. So ताका म्हणटा आमी basidiocarp. So this is called as the basidiocarp. Examples of the basidiomycetes is agaricus, that is the mushroom, edible mushroom म्हणटा ताका आमी. Ustilago smut, this is the Ustilago smut म्हणटा ताका आमी. Rust it is, and Puccinia rust fungus. Now this is the Puccinia which is forming the rust. Okay. Now the last class is the Deuteromycetes, commonly known as imperfect fungi because only the asexual vegetative phase of this fungi are known. So Deuteromycetes are imperfect fungi म्हणटा कारण त्यांची फक्त asexual and vegetative phase अजूनपर्यंत खबर आसा. सायंटिस्टांनी सर्च केले आसा रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह स्ट्रक्चर अजून त्यांचे मेळवना म्हणून तांकां imperfect fungi म्हणटा. So Deuteromycetes are called as the imperfect fungi. This you have to note down. The Deuteromycetes reproduce only by asexual spore known as the conidia. So they reproduce by only asexual spore. They form conidiophore and these are the conidia like structure which produces spore, a tiny round structure spore, and this is the conidia. The mycelium is septate and branched. So ह्याची mycelium septate असता आणि branch असता. Some members are saprophytes or parasite while a large number of them are decomposers. Okay. थोडे सॅप्रोफाइट्स असता थोडे दुसऱ्या ऑर्गॅनिझम असता ताका पॅरासाइट म्हणटा आणि थोडे डिकम्पोज करता ऑफ लिटर म्हणजे पानां कुसोवपा खातीर ते हेल्प करता अँड हेल्प इन मिनरल सायक्लिंग. सो लिटर म्हणजे जेन्ना पानां कुसता पळय ताका आमी लिटर म्हणटा आणि हे लिटर जेन्ना कुसोन ऑर्गॅनिक मॅटर फॉर्म करता विच इज व्हेरी रिच इन मिनरल and so they help, that's why they are called as the help in mineral cycling. Now examples of Deuteromycetes are Alternaria. Now these are the Alternaria fungus. So this is the structure of the spores Alternaria and this is the mycelium and these are the Alternarias conidiophore. It will produce conidia. This is the Coletrotrichum and these are the spores of Trichoderma. The length of the haploid and diploid phases and whether these phases are free living or dependent on others vary among different groups in plants. This phenomenon is called as the alternation of generation. So ह्यांचे haploid and diploid phases vary जाता आणि they are also vary among different groups in plants and ताका म्हणटा आमी alternation of generation म्हणजे एका फेजीनसून दुसऱ्या फेजीन वचप, हॅप्लॉइड टू डिप्लॉइड, डिप्लॉइड टू हॅप्लॉइड, ताका म्हणटा आमी अल्टरनेशन ऑफ जनरेशन. So I hope you have understood this topic. If you have any difficulty, let me know, students. So uh, in this video we have studied kingdom fungi. Let me summarize. So we have studied kingdom fungi and their different groups. So we have seen characteristic of kingdom fungi. So they are heterotroph, different types of mycelium, then fruiting bodies, then examples. Then we have studied their classes, four classes known as Phycomycetes, then Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. Okay, these are the four classes and their characteristic and different example. Okay, so you try to differentiate them, write points on differentiating so that you will remember how they are different. So write differentiating points between Deuteromycetes, Phycomycetes, Basidiomycetes, Ascomycetes. Okay, so student, stay home, stay safe, take care. Goodbye.